Hey y'all, and welcome back. So today we're just going to jump right into this video, trying to make it as quick as I can. So I'm just going to show you guys what I have been using to help combat the itchiness of my scalp underneath these braids. These braids, y'all, I'm telling you, they have been great, but right now they are holding on by a thin strand. They are ready to come out. I'm ready to get them out, but I'm going to try to just hold on to them for just a little longer, try to get to the end of the month, and then I'm going to take these out. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you how I refresh my scalp and just, again, combat this itchiness and this dry scalp. And then also just putting my hair back up into a nice updo and just kind of refreshing the look for the day. So I've done a review on this brand before. Really great brand. Highly recommend. But it's hairgrowthco.com. And this is the 10-in-1 hair growth oil and the 10-in-1 hair growth serum. So basically both products are intended to, course, help your hair grow. So that's why I purchased these products. They do work and they do make your hair grow. So I have been using the oil for a very long time, which is the first video that I did, I think, of their products. And just like it says, this is an oil-based product. But then they came out with a 10-in-1 hair growth serum. So the same effect, but just in a serum form as opposed to an oil-based form. So I thought I would probably like that one better because I like the oilless, greaseless feel. Even though the product still works amazing for the oil-based one. But the serum one, I said I gotta try it. If it's like absorbent like water, I gotta try it. Both of them give you the same benefits as far as promoting hair growth, reducing shedding, preventing hair loss, and reawakening dormant follicles. Both of these products contain peppermint, which leaves the scalp feeling so cool, so tingly, and refreshed, and relieved of that itching feeling. And I also love that both of these products use a nozzle to apply the product, so you can easily distribute the product throughout your hair, your scalp, especially if you have braids. It's just easy to get in between your braids and just get the product in there and just get it evenly distributed. It just makes it a lot less work when it has the nozzle. I can get to my scalp quickly, easily, get this product in, get it massaged and worked in really good, and boom, I'm done. There's no hassle, and I like that. Just make my life as less stressful and hassle-free as possible. My scalp is itching as I speak, just talking. Yeah, I went in here and I just started scratching before I started applying the product. It was getting bad. But yeah, I could tell my scalp was dry. So now it's time to get into the product. I cannot wait to put it on my scalp. Y'all, when I tell you that is the best feeling, it makes my scalp feel so cool. It just makes my scalp feel so good, so hydrated and nourished, but most importantly, relieved of the itchiness. It just makes my scalp feel so much better. So I just take the nozzle and I just apply this product generously throughout my scalp. So you can adjust the nozzle to the amount of product you want to distribute. I turn my nozzle all the way on. I have it all the way open because I like to put a generous amount of product throughout my hair. Not overdo it, not overkill, because I don't want to waste product, because it really doesn't take a lot. But I just make sure it is generous enough for my scalp and my hair. So once I have the product evenly distributed throughout my hair, I just go in with my fingers and I just massage it in the best I can until it's good and absorbed. Once I got that done, then I can style my hair the way I want. So I'm just going to put it back into a bun. And every time I put it back into a bun, it looks different every time. It's never the same looking bun every time. So it just depends on, how my hair decides to, act right, But anyway, so I'm just going to put it back up into this bun, put the bobby pins and stuff back in. And then I'll show you what products I'll use to do my edges. And that's pretty much it. And as you can see, my hands do not have any greasiness whatsoever. Again, it absorbs like water. No greasiness whatsoever. I absolutely love this serum. Because I just prefer non-oily, because, oil get on stuff and, you don't want oil on everything. I like stuff for just to absorb into my scalp and just, be done. You know, I don't want any after effects or after residue and all this stuff. And again, that's not knocking the oil. I just prefer, if there's an oil-free version, I just rather go with the oil-free version. That's really all it is. So literally as I'm sitting here doing my hair, and especially after working this product into my scalp, it has that tingling, cooling effect going on right now. It's not super intense, but it's intense enough that it makes the scalp feel so relieved of the itchy feeling. That cooling, menthol, minty sensation on the scalp is everything. Especially when I walk outside with my braids down and that wind is just going across my scalp. Oh, that is the best relaxing feeling ever on my hair. It's just so soothing and just so cooling, and just the product is just, it's just an amazing product. It works, it's nourishing, it's hydrating, and I just again love that it absorbs like water right into my scalp. So, you know, there's no residue, there's nothing. It just leaves nothing but just feel good. It just feel good scalp. So for my edges, I like to use from Cantu the Protective Styles Braiding and Twisting Gel. It has a really great hold and it's moisturizing. I don't apply a lot of product. I just like to tap the brush in the gel just 1 or 2 times just to get a little bit of gel on there, and then I just work that into my edges and try to, you know, get my baby hair straight. Now the gel can be a little stiffening when trying to do my edges, so sometimes I like to go in with the Miche Gel to Foam Styling Mousse just a little bit, and I'll go on top of that just to kind of loosen up the gel just a tad, so I can kind of sculpt my edges and put my hair back up into a bun. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and just watching what I use on my scalp and for my hair, and just kind of refresh my look, refresh my scalp, just to combat that itchiness, that dry itchy feeling. I cannot speak highly enough about this company, about this brand. Their products work, they're great, they're 100% natural. You're gonna love it. It makes your hair, makes your scalp feel really good. They do have shampoos and conditioners that give the same effect, the same feel, the same results. So definitely check them out. I'll leave some information in the description box below. This video is non-sponsored. This is just my own personal opinion about these products. Nobody paid me to say anything. This is just from my own experience using these products. So again, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you're looking for something for your braids, for your hair, for your scalp, just something you can use on a day-to-day that is not greasy, it's oil-free, gets the job done, grows your hair, all the things that you want, definitely check out this product. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.